Hey folks, I finally went to Walgreens in Chico. I finally got baseball cards. Here they are. Top. It's got 2 packs. Series 1 top. And here, let's see what kind of buried treasure I'll find here. I'm glad that, one thing about Top, I'm glad I got rid of the stupid chewy gum. I think so far I really like ball card I bought on Amazon this year. Top anyway. So this is what they look like in the back. So yeah, once again I'm opening 6 packages, series 1, 21, 16 cards. Hopefully I get a special insert. Kind of nice. Oh. Bunch of players, Brewers, kind of dance. Kind of cool team leaders. Good to have this card, Juan Soto. Barely good to ring in one of this World Series. That's kind of a cool card. I like these kind of cards. Oh, action pack. I don't see any players I recognize. Well, Giants. Yeah, probably Red Sox. Whoa, tough of the years. Yeah, I've seen this one before. Outfielder, it's kind of cool. I've never seen this one. It's not numbered, but it's still cool. Oh, guys like 1960, 1956 Reap card. So I'm going to throw a little mix of cards in here. Let's do a quick search. I don't see anything. Next one, next pack. I'll try to make these videos as fast as I can. Try to make them like not half an hour and stuff. Good running things too. But I'm always curious, people put in the comment section what kind of teams you like, what kind of you still collect baseball cards, what kind of teams you're looking for. Well, we got Giants. Walk off. See bad about Giants. They release my dear players, Pence and Panda. It's kind of cool, Tampa Bay. A little excited. Oh, look, a kind of cool shiny card. 1970. Oh, cool, Christian Dunn. That's kind of cool. Oh, cool. Robert Jr. Good to have. Some POC is not. POC is kind of overrated. He's like a young kid. He'd get a chance. Looks like this guy's hit a home run or something. Very cool. Action pack. Card. I don't see anything in this pile. Next pile. Pack. I'm bringing this one next. I don't know. I'm really watching baseball. My friend doesn't really watch baseball. I'll go with some more minor league games. I enjoy minor league games. I can't wait to get to the minor league games. Oh, Juan Soto card. Really good to have this third-year card. That's really cool. That's a good action pack card here. Right, starting seeing the people's sons are playing now. I'm so old, probably don't see the people's grandkids are playing. Oh, Andy Johnson. Oh, that's cool. Exactly with D-backs. I think he had a no-hitter. With the Giants, he has so many home runs. Oh, cool. This guy's gonna take Robin Lee's gonna take what's his name place Posey's spot. Oh, Judge got her Judge card. It's really cool. Oh, finally got his card. Hall of Famer so far. This guy's been so many years in Micah Griesti. His grandfather took Ted's place's spot when he retired. Let's get this going. Going on here. Oh, cool. First pack. I like these kind of pictures, honestly. Let's see what I got here. Hands up. Looks like what's it? Mookie Wilson. Can't tell by the mask. You got a loud noise coming next to you. Oh, I got a shiny card. I got. That's how I call shiny and chrome. Sound like chrome. Oh, Buster Posey. One of my favorite Giants. One few to the left from the World Series days. Thinking Belt and qualifier garden. Remember if they may be the last year. Go check. Okay, that's pretty much in that pack. Got 4 more for you folks. So yeah, I don't know what kind of cards you collect. Trying to get cards from Chico is really hard. Some cards. Ah, miracle. It would pay for my retirement. Oh, so my other player for the Nationals. I like this guy. He's weird. I like this guy. Max. One of my favorite players right now. I love watching videos of him. Los Angeles Dodgers. I'm for card, team card. For some reason I keep getting this card. I don't know why. Got sound like museum, that one card. Well, it's kind of cool. Relic. Got 2 relics. Oh, not relics, but they're 1950. A future Hall of Famer. And then the LCD's in this card too. Guy really, in one is really. Other Posey card. Oh, cool, last one, Posey. Definitely a Hall of Famer pitch, keep his stats up. I mean, he has like, home runs, that's like 140, but I think definitely a home run. Feeling beautiful, what he does is great. Very low-key player, way he plays. But every time you see him getting a kind of excitement, when he, during the World Series when he won. But every time he gets a strikeout, he knows when the strike, he just walks away. Some cards dropped. Oh, cool. Or remake. That's what I always get from this card. Oh, cool. Bryce Harper. For some reason I got tons of his cards. I got a bunch of cards from a mystery pack. Oh, cool. This guy be famous. When I collect cards, man, this guy got by his cards. He's my favorite catcher on a different team. No, a different guy. He's some rookie guy. I don't know, different guy. Sorry, different guy. Oh, that's kind of cool. Relic. Ricky Harrison, relic. Ethics. One of my favorite A's. I wasn't an A's fan, but this guy was fun to watch. I think he was an alien, in my opinion. So I got 2 more packets for you guys. I was a regular Hall of Famer. He's from Wilkin. They named the field after him. Not the stadium, but they named the field after him. Ricky Harrison Field at the Coliseum. Whatever they call it now. They keep changing the name. Well, it would be the Coliseum. All run down. I say it all when they first built it. Now it's all run down. They have issues right now with that park. So I got 2 more packs. I got Giants. Looking for a ball. Rookie year. A lot of rookies last year. Once again, I got his card again. I don't mind. Find more. Oh, that's kind of cool, shiny. It's so shiny and beautiful. Yeah, that guy's a really card. Elbows only card. Washington. Looks like the Angels. And the last one for the series 16. See, really, trying to capture an escape. You hear the scratching noise. Yankees, team leaders. So far, they've been decent packs. So far, oh, okay, cool. Could be a future Hall of Famer. And Matt Chapman style. I don't see anything else about this collection. Well, that's it right now. Please like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Try different things every day with this channel. Subscribing will help me. Liking it and commenting will help me too. I'll get better. Go Giants. Hope I'll film some baseball games this year. All right, bye.